But yeah, this is still giving me like sleek middle. Classic. I'm loving it, y'all. This is cute. This is cute. Let me cut that. I'm tripping. Oh, that's a roach.
I really don't.
Hey, girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'll be reviewing this wig that I have on right now. It's a very affordable unit from ISEE Hair. So if you want to see how I installed this wig and got it to look like this, then just keep watching. Wait. Rewind that back. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you even doing here? Before you even watch the rest of this video, hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. Like, comment, and just engage with your girl because why not? Keep watching. Let's get into this video. I'm doing too much talking now. This wig is their 4x4 closure unit in the length 16 inches. It is a full wig that has combs and the elastic bands like all of them do. Box is a little toe up, don't judge me, but yes, this is the hair. Already went in and bleached the knots, so the knots are bleached. And now I'm going to hot comb. Let me put it on to see how it looks first and how it sits on my head. All the info for this wig will be listed down below. This is how the hair is looking. It is washed, dried. Knots are bleached. I have not done anything to the hairline. I'm still figuring out how I even want to style this. I might straighten it and then cut it to like a shoulder length kind of style. This is the same Ruby Kisses. This is in the color 13, level 13. So I'm just taking the darker side and putting that all over my cap. Well, the parting of my cap that's going to show. And I'm going to put it on the inside of this lace to tint this lace. That looks much better. I need to do any crazy like plucking or whatever, but with the comb that they use, hear me? I too make some box up. I just had a comb, bruh. Where'd it go? Did I just rip my earring out? Where did my earring go? Sorry, I'm gonna put earrings on after. But alright guys, I am back from doing my makeup. So now I'm going to go ahead and trim the ends of this hair a little bit because the ends are a little straggly and I don't think that's cute. So we're going to do that. If I can find my scissors. I lose everything, y'all. Everything. I don't even have any technique for this. I'm really just cutting where I think it should be cut bluntly. I think that works for me. I like this. This is neat. Alright, let me take this wrap off. Now I'll put that on and fix the top of my head. I usually put makeup in my part to define it, but it's looking pretty defined to me as is, so I'm not even going to go ahead and touch that. I'm liking the density of the hair. It feels like my regular, like my natural hair. Like, I'm loving it. But let me spray my face down real quick because I ain't do that yet. Oof, that was a lot. This is the wig from ISEE Hair. All the details and descriptions needed to purchase this hair will be down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. This is the perfect everyday to-go wig. As you can see, it didn't take long to install at all. It looks like my hair. The density is very thin, like not thin, but it's thick enough. It's not too thick. It's a good enough density for an everyday wig, and I just feel like this suits me, everybody, like a sleek middle part. Who doesn't want that? And I actually used the combs on this wig this time. Like, I used the combs and I tucked it here. So it's kind of hard for me to try to like tuck hair behind my ear like I would want to do. Yeah, this is so cute. Like, classic, easy, simple, get her done. And I feel like I got her done. This is neat, y'all. This video, again, is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. So yeah, we want some good affordable hair, and I think this is a good one. Now it's time to put on my fit and head out because I'm always running to go somewhere. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!